5'4", black hair, never had her dad there. Kissed a lot of boys, but never seems to have.
Okay, so I don't trust that there's not going to be an Arctic wolf as soon as I join, so I'm going to check the salesman, and work on this ugly-ass outfit. Cue the weird-ass sound effect thing I don't know.
OMG, my voice got weird. Anyway, the salesman has blue forest boots, but I'm pretty sure like everyone knows by now, and I'm late to make a video on it and get views, so I'm going to use this overused idea. Now I'm going to fix this look because yeehaw, what the hell.
I don't deserve you. You should be with a real girl.
Who are you? I am from ancient Greece.
Oh, look at me, I put a face on. Wow! Look at me, I put a show on when I go.
Now I'm gonna take a walk and